Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view Linux system users using different commands. To begin, open the terminal. Run the late command with the on-screen syntax to see the users that are stored in the path we indicate. To exit the results, press the Q key. To have access to a better view of the results, execute the cut command as we show you on the screen. With this syntax, it will be easier to see Linux users. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you want to see the current groups in the system, you can use the less command with the syntax that we show you. To exit the results, press the Q key. To get a better view of the available groups, run the cut command with the on-screen syntax. This way we will get a more understandable view to see Linux users. If you need to see the connected users, we will use W letter. This will list additional details about users as you see on screen. Another option is to be able to see the user used in the current session using the who command as you see on the screen. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.